Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. We'll begin with the gold. It moved, means gold movement was amazing in last probably from the April or this year. I remember like we were somewhere around this point. Maybe I hope like in the whole year, I probably haven't given any single sell call in the gold because every time it was moved, there was a consolidation, a moment, a consolidation, a moment, and this moment was a like sharp downside, maybe from the 80% level. That time we were thinking that possibility of the triangle or a flat here, but again from that level it moved, consolidated, and boom. So if you just see the pattern here in the daily, in the weekly, for it is in the weekly time frame. If I just add this, in the earlier we discussed like something has started here or at this particular point because the two-stage confirmation start from here. Maybe it began from this point of 1264. Minimum we were expecting it 161% of this small triangular like structure. That is coming near 1577. That is 61% of this moment. And 161 261% is this, and from the top we were expecting it to go at least to the 80% minimum. That is 80% is minimum. So 80% was 1712. Okay, 80% is 1712, and that was done. And again there was no sign of falling downside or no sign of correction or no sign of a faster correction in the gold. So again, see the moment here, it went almost 99% of the previous high, that is 1920. Okay, this was a brilliant move from the level of this. And this was identified when it was in the consolidation phase. So we were going at least to the 61% and 80%. Maybe we were at 18, 1280 or 1270, 75 was the range. Okay, maybe price was somewhere around 30 INR. Now it is 52k, means almost 70%, 60, more than 65% gain in single year, maybe April 19 or May 19 to this 2020, means in a year this was done. A year return was amazing in case of gold. Okay, now what to do? Go for daily. As per the daily, it's still in a buy. Okay, sky is limit, it can go to any level. Okay, there is no sell as of now, or no sell signal as of now. Okay, it can go even to the top of like 2000 USD. What about in a daily, sorry, hourly time frame? In hourly, it is looking some exhaustion, maybe because not it's moving not sharp as in case of daily. If you see the daily chart, those are clear buy chart. But if you see in hourly, still there is no sell. Why I'm saying that? Because if you see this moment is sharper and consolidation, a moment is sharper and consolidation, moment, a consolidation, moment, consolidation. A single moment is not sharp. Only at this particular point there was a little sharp moment for the downside, but not compared to this candle. This was green candle of bigger, and this was a movement. Okay, again here it not a very downside movement, but it was consolidating to move upside. Now what can be expected for the next week? Stay in a buy, not to sell. It can go even like to the one high at least, so that will complete 1 9 2 3 and 4 and 5 here, or one after fifth wave. So stay in a buy, not to sell, at least to the 1920 and 1930 it can go. So stay in a buy in case of gold until and unless it breaks the level of 1880. Okay, don't sell below this until unless it moves downside. Don't sell in case of gold. Stay in a buy for at least like 1920 or 1930. Okay, gold for the next week is buy, not to sell. Silver, yeah, it is again like looking a smaller structure that it done in case of gold. After this moment, like a longer consolidation, it gold jumped up. So similar it is making now after this longer consolidation. You may get one upside in case of silver too, but there is a small correction can be expected like this, because if you see this moment against this, okay, against this moment, if you see this whole correction, there is a chance that it might come a little bit down before it can go any further up. Okay, getting my point? So here in case of silver, you can look a sell setup for at least like a downside minimum to minimum 22 256 or something, then it might go one up before it can go any further down. So this moment is sharper, it is a consolidating, so there is a chance it might go to the level of 74 and 24 USD or 23 500, but first it will come to the level of 22.200 or some lower levels, then it will jump to the high, because this angle is sharper and this consolidation is taking some more time. Okay, crude, yeah. And the moment of crude is also amazing in the in case of like what we say, a lockdown or in the corona crisis, it went in negative in some of the some days. It in the future of like crude oil, they traded a negative in 1 or 2 days. After that you see the recovery is very quicker, very sharper, and it looks like a structure that of the V shape, and after this it might do one up to the 59 or 60 USD in case of daily structure of crude. Okay, but there is a small downside can be expected to come this level, and before it can go any further down, sorry, further up. This is a sharper recovery. We'll see in hourly what structure it is making. Okay, yeah. So in case of hourly structure, if you see this moment, it's a 1 2 3 4 and 5 or A, it's a B, 1 2 3 4 and 5, it's a three wave structure. Right. So there is a chance like it might be doing the triangle here or a flat. So time wise, if I consider, it is looking like a not looking like a flat, because the time it is not taking more than 200%. I hope we'll check that. Yes, it is near to the 120% or 110%, but not 200% of the time. So there is a chance the structure is doing that of the triangle or some other structure, but not as a flat. Okay. So here, if I look, this might be the A caps, it's a B, it might be the triangle C, and after this moment was a consolidation, because this is not a like B, C and D, because it took much more time here. Okay, after that a one fall. So A, B, C maybe diametric E, F, and G can be possible, or to the whole structure. Now this was a one sharper fall, and this was one sharper fall. Okay, after that it moved. So now what can be expected in case of crude? Last week we discussed, like, here it's a consolidation phase, we might get one down before it can go any further up. We were expecting it to come 37 or 34 USD, I hope, this level. But as in this zone, if you see the movement after this correction, it was sharp. So it was confirmed that, okay, now we are not going to go for the downside. Okay, here it went one upside and consolidation and one more up, and again it is consolidating now, right? So there is a good chance that it will go one more up before it can fall further. So here in case of crude, look for the buy setup for 42 USD and further to 42.76 and further we will decide how it is moving. Okay. Yeah, so this is for the crude. Stay in a buy mode, not to sell as of now, but you will definitely get one sell. Maybe at this particular level it will reverse and come to the level of 37 or further fall to 34. Yeah, this is what we were expecting in case of crude, but still you are in the sell zone in the longer time zone. But as per the hourly chart, you can expect this to go top first and then it will come down further, it will go to the upside or down to the 34 and 37. So as of now, you can look for the buy setup up to the level of 42 and 43. If there you are getting a sell setup, look for the sell for 37 USD. Okay. USD INR. Yes. So we were in the sell in case of USD INR and structurally hasn't changing much. So you can stay in a sell in case of USD INR. So structurally hasn't changed much. So it can come up to the level of 73 or 72 USD. So stay in a sell, not to buy. Okay. So this can be expected in case of USD INR. So here if it is crossing above the 75, we will be looking for the buy. As of now, look for the sell setup, stay in a sell. Nifty. So there is a good chance like it might touch the level of 11,300 and change. Okay. So we'll look how it is doing in case of hourly structure. So as per the daily, it is in the middle of this bigger candle of red. Zones are like 11,055 and 11,237 or something. So it is an inside candle and trend is in the sell side as per this candle. But if it is crossing this, we are going to go for the buy. Crossing this, we are going to go for the sell. But as per the daily chart, it is inside candle. So until and unless it breaks the level of 11,237 on the closing basis and 11,052 on closing basis, the trend is presently in the buy side, and as per this, it is in the sideways. Okay, this downside will confirm the downside move, this upside will confirm the further upside move. If I see this moment, it's a sharper. You see the candles 1 2 3 4 and it's or 5 candles, it's a 2 days, it is in the sideways. Okay, so as per hourly chart, See, as per early, it might have started something new like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, it's A, B, and C. Maybe a consolidation of the like structure that of the flat or a triangle. Okay. Here, if I see the moment, it's like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5. So I need to check the length of this third, whether it is matching to consider it as an impulse. So if something has started from this point, this is the first wave. Yeah, it is little bit longer than the third. So most of the time fifth is extending. If not, at least like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now it is consolidating. Okay. Whether it is end of something or it might go one up to the third of this upside moment or simple A, B, and C structure. Okay. So as per now, this might be doing the structure that of the triangle or flat. Flat to this is like A, B, and C. Okay. This is like a bigger A, a B. Now it's for C. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 candles. If Monday in 2 candles means next 2 hours, if it able to close 11,237, okay, and there is a good chance like it will go one up for 11,360. So as per the early structure, stay in a buy, not to sell. Okay, if it is like doing again from this level, if it comes downside little, then a triangular possibility is there, A, B, C, D, and E. After this also it will go one up if it further increases. If not, if something ending in the triangle, then it will fall and break the level of 11,053. Then only it will confirm for the downside. Okay, but as per daily hourly structure, it is in the buy side, not to sell as of now. Until and unless it crosses this trend line, we won't be selling it, and that too first below 11,055 and next this trend line, that is 10,906. Okay, so as per the um, Nifty, stay in a buy. So at least it will come to the level of 336 if it is crossing the 11,237 odd numbers. Okay, from the top side, it might have, yeah, it is facing the resistance there exactly. Okay, so we'll see Monday how it behaves. So from the side also, it is facing some resistance here. So I'll just remove everything and you can able to see that. Just add the new trend line here. This is one. And from this side, this one. Okay, see here at the channel stop it is, and consolidating there only. If it further moves, it will go up. If not, let's say if it is reversing somewhere around this point, then it might come to the downside. For that, it need to make a structure that of the diamond. Okay, or like A, B, C, D, and E. If further goes, it will go upside. If downside, it will go downside. Because these two levels are important now. Okay, fine. What about Bank Nifty? So here something has started from this particular point, that is this down or this down. So this I will consider one. Okay. That is not a diametric. Okay, let's see how it's behaving. It's like a 1 or A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, it is, if you see the time of the upper moment, so downside and upside are looking little bit similar. So there is a one chance that this pattern is doing something new, has started from this particular point, so it will go up, or it will consolidate here and make the triangle. Okay, in case of bank nifty, it is looking a little bit weaker than the nifty. So if you see here, it's something like a ending diagonal or structure has developed at the top. So there is a good chance, and here it's a confirmation also. If further falls, it will come to the downside first, 22,417. From that, if it is crossing, it will go and touch the low. So that will be completing like A, B, and C, simple ABC structure. Okay. Or if it taking much more time here and not crossing the 61% here, so there is a chance like it will go one more up. But as per this time and this time, it is looking like some consolidation here will happen to the level of 22,000 or further to 21,113. But it depends how it moves here. If it is taking much more time, let's say, okay, then there is a possibility to go one up. If not, it will come first to the down. And if again, it will go one more up to do the structure that of the D and E further. Okay. So as per now, in case of bank nifty, stay in a sell, not to buy. Below 22,417, you can look for the sell for at least 22,000 and 21,082. A bank nifty is looking weaker compared to the nifty. So if it is crossing the top, so we can look for the buy. But until and unless it's not crossing the top, we are staying in the sell in case of bank nifty. Okay. Yeah, we'll see the nifty top nifty 10 stocks as per the weightage. It's a gold we did. Okay, fine. HDFC. The last week we said a stay in a buy in case of HDFC, and both I think HDFC and HDFC Bank. The last week in the HDFC we said look for the sell setup. In HDFC, look for the buy setup. Okay. So as per now, this is my trend line. Earlier this was my trend line, right? It reversed from that point, and now I'm shifting it to one down. So this can be taken as a zone, or you can shift it to downside when it crosses the top. Okay. Here it looked like this, maybe ABC. After this, it will be the new impulse as it is near to the 80%. Sorry. All right. So it's completed ABC or simple ABC structure here. If you see A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 we can say, but it is coming inside. If it is moving further up, we would have said like, okay, this is the structure, it is making 1 2 3 for the upside. But as it covered almost 80% to the downside, 80% to the C, so there is a good chance like here it might be doing some consolidation A B C like structure. After that, it might be the C or X. This will be like A, and again this is a B. So we'll be seeing the C downside first, then it might go one more up. Okay, firstly you will look for the sell setup up to the level of 1809, and further if falls you may get 1726 or something, then you will be getting one more up for the level of this, that is 2042. As per hourly chart, look for the sell up to the level of 1800 and 1720 or 1760. If moves from there, you can look for the buy for at least 2038. So that will be completing the structure like A, B, C, or D and E further, or A, B, C, X, A, B, and C. Firstly, to the downside, and then you can look for the buy in case of HDFC. What about HDFC Bank? Yeah, this structure is looking like a flat, because if you see, this is a sideways and one sharp, but the downside, That is something like a B, and C. This moment is sharper now, and again it is consolidating in the top. So there is a good chance that it will go one more up. So this will be my new trend line. Okay, something structure has ended at this particular point, means this flat has completed. Now something new has begun here. So look for the buy in case of HDFC for 1255, or if it further come little bit downside, then also you'll be looking for the buy. So at least as per the Fibonacci, to the down and to the up, if I'm considering 38% will be 1200 and 61% will be 1235. So look, as per the channel, it will go to the 1255. So look for the buy setup in case of HDFC Bank, not to sell as of now. Okay. Hindustan Unilever. It came inside the channel, so it might come little bit up. The overall structure is downside, so don't look for the buy setup. It will come to this level or this, then look for the one down. So that will complete the structure of A, B, and C. If not, if very sharp, if consolidates, then there is a good chance it will go to the 80%. But this we are trading only for C wave or 35C, usually we say. So here, if it is doing the A and B, then trade for this C, or wait for this whole A and this B to complete and trade for this C. Okay. So look for sell setup, not to buy in case of Hindustan Unilever. ICICI Bank. In the last week, we said stay in a buy, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. The structure has completed and something as new started. So just I'm considering this is a down and this is a top. Yeah. So firstly, don't like it 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 here. If smaller structure, if you see, it might be doing the structure that of the zigzag. So it will come a little bit down or may fill the gap and go one more up. So look for buy, not to sell. It may come to the level of the 368 or 366. Then it go one more up for 430. So time, if you need to consider, just consider the time like this. So if it is low is hitting before 29 July, we will be staying in a sell. If not, we'll be going to see one up. Okay. So stay in a buy mode, not to sell as of now. So a small sell can be expected, but if it is taking much more time, it's good. We will be seeing one up definitely. Okay, look for buy setup in case of ICICI Bank, not to sell. From this also it is coming some resistance here. So look for the buy. Infosys. It went way behind, maybe to the top. Yes, it is near the top. Now it will taking some time, but there is a hope like it will come down, or if it is crossing 956, then only we are looking for the buy, because it is at the channel stop. So I won't recommend you to buy at the channel stop. So there is a chance like it will reverse first. There is no confirmation yet, but if you see, this is like this is above the channel. From this also it is facing the resistance, and from this side it is the channel stop. So there is a chance it will go one more up, but if it is crossing 957, then only we are looking for the buy setup, or else here it will take some more time and consolidates, then we will definitely going to go for one more up. If it is reversing, then one downside can be expected, but if you see the structure, it is not looking for the sell after this breakage, or here it is facing resistance, and here it is taking some time compared to this, like 1, 2, 3 candle and 1, 2 candles, and it's again a green candle of a daily structure. So there is a chance it might do this a triangular, or if it consolidates on, then it will be good structure to trade like A, B, and C. Okay, as per now, look for the buy setup for 952 or further. Don't look for the sell in case of ICICI Bank. Sorry, Infosys. Okay, ITC. So we were in the buy. So still there is structurally hasn't changed much. Okay. So look for buy, not to sell. A smaller buy can be expected like 209, then a smaller consolidation. After that, a one more buy. So look for buy setup, not to sell. So minimum to minimum, this range it can to these two top, that is 223. So look for buy setup, not to sell. Kotak buy, structurally hasn't changed much. It is going A, B, C. So now a small downside, then zoom. So that will be A, B, and C. So from the top side, it is 100%, and this might be the 80% or some structure. So 1577 can be expected in case of Kotak. So look for buy, not to sell. L&T, it is a longer consolidation. Look for one buy at least, A, B, and C, not to sell. Okay, at least to the level of 1108. Look for buy, not to sell. Reliance, it is like I said, don't look for the sell setup. There is structurally hasn't changed here. It try to break the this structure in time, but after that, if you see, there is no sell or no close below this level. This is the confirmation candle of breaking. So after that, if you see the early candlestick charts, there is no candle or no single candle has closed below this. So try to close, but it moved inside. Try to close and moved inside and see this level. Okay, now what can be expected for early? This is like, and from this level means this is the channel's bottom. I hope from there it reversed and move upside. So now it will go to 2228. So look for buy, not to sell, and further we will decide at this channel if it is going up, and again there is a chance of going upside or some consolidation and upside. So as per now, look for the buy for at least 2200 and change in case of Reliance, not to sell. Okay, TCS. So we discussed this like 100% it has done after the flat. Now it reversed 1, 2, 3, 4. This might be the 5. So here it's A, B, and C. Okay. 3, 4, and 5. So you can look. It's near 38% at the top. So as per this, it might go little up and may fall further down. Okay. Until and unless it crosses the high, we are not going to buy. So look for the sell. It may go little bit upper for 2200 and 2261. If it is taking much more time to compare to this, then we'll be looking one sell for 2085 and further fall to 2010. Okay, these two can be expected in case of TCS. So look for sell setup, not to buy. Okay. So this is the TCS. Bajaj Finance one we will see because yeah. So if it is closing before this, then we would have said like, okay, there is a downside has started. But as you looking this a smaller consolidation, we can expect some downside moment if it is crossing. It is doing the structure that have the triangular like or a ending diagonal like. So there is a two possibility here in case of Bajaj Finance. For example, let's take this as a for the downside. This whole structure will be B if not crossing the level of 3340. Then there is a possibility that it will do one down to complete the structure that of the A, B, and C. If not, let's say this, if it is crossing this level or this top, then there is a good chance like it will go to the 61% or 80% or to the 100%, then it will fall. Okay. So as per this, now you can look a small by very small or wait for this. If it is giving any confirmation, look for one sell side that will be completing A, B, and C. Okay. This will be doing the structure that of the triangle, might be A, B, C, D, and E. After that, you will be getting one down. Or if it further upside, then 61% and 80% can be expected. So then we will be seeing how it moves to that level. If it is sharper, then triangle. If it is not, then a flat. Okay, two possibilities, flat or a triangle. Getting my point? So here in case of this, look for sell. If it is crossing this, we can look for the buy side. Okay. Yeah. So we'll end this session here. So I'll be sending a new link. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in that because we have only 1 minute time left. And in that 1 minute, we'll be seeing this SPX, what it is making. Yeah, it is below that. If it is opening, then again, we will be seeing that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to further fall. This is looking like a ABC, and it is A, B, and C. If it is crossing this level, we will be looking sell, or else it will do smaller upside first. So that will be completing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then fall. So that will be like looking like a flat structure. So in case of SPX, until and unless it crosses the high, we are not going to buy. We are going to look for the sell setup, because if you see this moment, it's a sharper compared to this raise, or maybe the structure that of the triangle like A, B. If it is a two-way